think that's backwards, but thanks Disney. Well, I am back home. The trip was amazing. Listen, let me just start off with, trip was amazing. Oh, I'm touching my face. Hold on. I edited this already, but we gonna keep. I had to put some hand sanitizer on and I touched my face. Okay, anyway, the trip was amazing. 10 out of 10. I'd do it all over again, even though I ended up here. But yeah, I woke up after Disney and my eye was swollen a little bit, my left eye, a little bit swollen. And I was like, whatever. I did try this new sunscreen. Cause I don't really rock with sunscreen. I don't be needing it like that. But I was like, no, let me be an adult and put some sunscreen on. Cause I know we can burn. I've seen it. And I'm like, that Florida weather, that Florida sun, I'm not playing with it. So went and bought some sunscreen, which I think I'm allergic to. And it said that it was for black women specifically. So that's why I bought it. But, yeah, now I'm all broken out. I'm not going to show you. I'm not taking these glasses off. You might be able to see through them. But I wake up every morning and I look like Quasimodo. I look like the lady from Dr. Dolittle who was allergic to shellfish and kept eating the shell. I look like them. And I said, oh, no, the 4th of July is tomorrow. So we got to figure this out. So it looks like I've just had an allergic reaction to the sunscreen, which I'm about to throw away. I'm just glad it wasn't a sunburn because my family was like, you think you got burned? And I'm like, shut up. No. But I've got like my skin on my face is swollen and it's itchy and it's super dry. And I'm like, bruh, what is happening? And I've got like bumps and stuff and yeah, it's almost like a heat rash, to be honest with you, but I've never had one before, so I shouldn't say it's like a heat rash because I don't know what it is. But doctor looked at it and she was like, oh no, that doesn't look like a sunburn. Looks like you're having an allergic reaction. So they gave me some meds. I got a shot in my tuchus, steroid shot. I didn't know it was going to be there. I thought it was going to be in my arm. And the wonderful tech comes in and she's like, okay, so I just need you to, what side do you want it on? I'm like, yeah, my left side, sure. And I'm like ready to give her my arm and she's like, no, I need some of your buttocks. She didn't say buttocks. I don't remember what she said, but I was like, oh. So yeah. My trip concluded, my face itching. My trip concluded with a trip to urgent care. But it's all good because at the end of the day, I thank God for medicine. I also prayed because I'm not big on medicine. At first I didn't want the steroid shot, but I was like, you know what? No, I'm gonna trust God. This hurts though, actually. Like, it's still hurting. But I was like, I'm gonna trust God, for the healing. I expect to feel full healing. And then I prayed. And then I went ahead and got the shot. So I'm just grateful for medicine. I'm grateful for the healing. I'm grateful for the trip. And I'd do it again. So anyway, urgent care. Raggedy as hell. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. Also, I hope to have some more creative-based videos and not these vlog type stuff soon, but you might get some more vlogs. Anyway, peace.